Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Holiday Inn Express Bowling Green, an IHG hotel. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Located close to Interstate 65, this Bowling Green hotel offers free Wi-Fi, a 24-hour reception, and rooms that feature a flat-screen TV with cable channels. Western Kentucky University is 4 miles away. Rooms features plush bedding along with a private bathroom. A seating area is also included at the Bowling Green Holiday Inn Express. Continental breakfast is served each morning and it features hot coffee or tea along with fresh fruit and pastries. Guests can swim in the seasonal outdoor pool or use the business center that offers fax and photocopying services. The Holiday Inn Express Bowling Green is 6 miles from the National Corvette Museum. Mammoth Cave, the longest cave system in the world, is 30 miles away. Downtown Nashville is just a 1-hour drive away from Bowling Green. Use a link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.